What comes to your mind when you hear the word silence? Silence is nothing but the self-love, interior harmony, and peace. It expresses different emotions in different situations. Silence speaks through our glowing eyes in happiness, through the silent tears in sorrow, and through the shyness of our eyes in love. Is silence golden or boring? Different people takes different answers to this question. Some believes it to be meaningful and interesting, whereas some claims to be damn boring. Why is silence so important? Just imagine how many arguments or problems you have avoided because you were silent. We are trapped in this busy social life and a never-ending wish list that just keeps growing and growing. At the end of the day, everyone wants to have a relaxation time to disconnect themselves from the world so as to proceed to the next day with a mindset of hope and positivity. This is where the beauty of silence comes into picture. Imagine a place where you can't talk, call, read, write, or access to the internet. Boredom can soon turn into bliss as the brain from a state of chaos finds peace. Being in silence can broaden your perspective. Albert Einstein once said, "Logic will get you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere." The practice of being in silence and in solitude allows you to see the situations from a different perspective. Instead of looking at a problem from the outside, you are able to see the problem arising from your own thoughts. When you are alone and in silence, you use less energy because you are in a relaxed state and there are fewer distractions. You can be centered and still while everyone around rushes. Robert Cardinal Sarah, in his book The Power of Silence, has written, "Without the capacity for silence, man is incapable of hearing, loving, and understanding the people around him." There are various health benefits as proven from a psychological standpoint, like lowering blood pressure, which can help prevent heart attack, boosting the body's immune system, decreasing stress levels, and many other health benefits. It isn't as difficult as you might think, and anyone can begin to cultivate silence to help benefit overall health and well-being. Try out these suggestions. Walk outside in nature. Walk in silence to get more in tune with nature and allowing your mind to take a quiet time out. Before going to bed, spend some time gazing at the sky and admire the beauty of the stars and the moon. Get adapted to the silence and notice the quality of your sleep. Second, remain in bed an extra 5 minutes before getting up for the day. Use this time to slowly awaken to the world. A silent prayer of gratitude to your favorite God for all that you have and ask for blessings for the day ahead. Third, yoga. Engage in deep breathing exercises. This helps calm your mind and quiet at the same time. Fourth, meditate. This practice can never go wrong. Teach yourself or join a class, whatever works for you, to get into the world of silence. These steps are very crucial in the modern world where distractions, stress, and pressure are always trying to get hold of you. Give yourself a rest of silence every single day. There are still many more benefits you can get from practicing silence. Silence is the most powerful mantra which truly turns your life a wonderful one. So, what are we waiting for? I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.